Hi guys. So today I will be talking about rand array function in this particular video. So welcome to my YouTube channel and I will help you to deep dive into the world of Excel and the particular function which I will be talking is, as I told you, that will be rand array. So why do you need rand array? Then how will rand array help you, right? So let me quickly show you first my Excel screen so that we can visualize what I am talking, right? So this particular data set, I got it from Google, so I will be sharing it with you and even you can Google it. So let me just tell you what is rand array first and secondly when to use it. So suppose you need to generate random numbers, right? So it's a really a game changer and it helps you generate arrays of random number with ease. So example, suppose you need to figure it out some random numbers for a survey, then rand array is the answer. Suppose you need to make some random list of people who needs to be called, who needs to be given free vouchers, or who needs to be declared a winner for a quiz. So you have a data set of lakhs, but you need only 10 people who will be declared a winner. So it will be very difficult to choose from a list of 10 lakh people. So in that particular case, rand array will help you. So I will show you with an example. So this particular data set is a sample data set for employee. It has all the basic details like employee ID, full name, job title, department, business unit, gender, and etc. 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 So I give you a problem statement. I will just write it here. So first, before that, you should know that there are almost 1000 rows. Okay. So my problem statement is out of 1000 employee data set, we need to interview 20 people asking feedback on recent increment cycle. Okay. Then how you will figure it out? Because you have 1000 employees, right? So this is my question. So answer is simple. Like you have to use rand array, this one. If I just click on tab, so the parameters is asking is like number of rows. So in this case, it will generate records of rows. Like in our case, we need 20 people, so we need 20 records. So we will be writing 20. Column, we are not worried about column as of now. We need min and max. So min in max means like we have a record of 1000 people. So 120 people shall come out from 1000 people. So in our case, min will be 1 and max will be 1000 and integer, and I will showing you. So I will just write that here for like we need 20 records. So I will write 20 rows. We don't need any column, so I will escape that. Min is like I already know that our employee database start from 1 and it goes up to 1000. And I need the answer in integer, not in decimal. So I will write true. And here it is. Okay. So maybe I skipped it. I'll write 1. Okay. So this is the answer. So, but this will not help you, right? This has generated only random number. So what we have to do is we have to add an additional column on the left side saying serial number. So what we'll be doing is serial number, and we will be writing 1, 2, 3, and this will go on till the last. So I have just added the serial number. Now it is showing 1000 records. So what I will be doing is I will be using now lookup. So I have the answer on the sheet, like out of these 20 serial number, these people will be called. So I will be using VLOOKUP, using this particular value, going in our data set, and I will be pulling the employee name. So these 20 people will be called. So you got it. So I will repeat it again. So with another problem now. So like question number 2. So my problem statement is I want to declare a winner or select a winner out of 1000 employee database. Okay, I want to declare, maybe you can say 50 winner. Okay, or select 50 winner out of 1000 employees database. Okay, now lucky winners, right? It's a lucky winner. So we have 1000 database. So what we're gonna do is, again, we're using a Randarray function. Of course, now you tell what will be the rows. So as in the previous sheet, we saw that records, how many records, how many rows. So we need, in last question, we need to declare 20. In this, we have 50 winners. So I will write 50 numbers random, and we don't need column. We have minimum 1 record and we have maximum 1000 record, and we want this in as a whole number. So I will just press enter and you see this 50 records. Now again, this is a serial number. So we have serial number in A column. We need to pull the name from column C. So we will be using VLOOKUP and just applying it. Okay. So this is like voila. So now if someone asks me that whenever I refresh this particular cell, like I just press it again, you see this one, like you see this 785 here. Okay, let me refresh it. It becomes 122. So I need to stop this. Someone asked me, so what is the solution? Right. So solution is as simple as that. I will be writing and explaining with the third example. Okay. So my third example is, okay, I want to interview or observe 10 people. So I will be using again rand array. Again, we need 10 people, so 10 rows we need. We don't need any column. We have minimum 1 and maximum 1000 records, and we need 1. So we will be closing this, but here is the catch. We will be pressing F9. So F9, the moment I press F9 and says enter, so this value will not get refreshed and it will stay, because what F9 has did is it has pasted as values. So this is for now. This was the thing which I like that we should be knowing. So stay tuned for my next videos. If you like it, show your love by subscribing and commenting and sharing my video. Thank you all.